y'all. So today I'm going to be installing a wig from BeautyForeverHair. They sent over a curly wig for me to try for y'all today. Let's go ahead and open up the package. So here is the unit. We have a nice curly wig to install. It's also a closure. This lace comes cut. I did bleach the knot, so this unit has been washed and air dried. It also comes with an elastic band in the inside. We also have some combs on your left and right side of the temple, and then you get a comb at the back. It has a nice little built elasticity in here. This little rubber parting is just going to help the wig stay on a lot more secure with us wearing the wig glueless. In the packaging, they also sent over a nice little gifty gift. We have wig cap, a melt band, lashes. This is a brush, twist, and you have a brush. Helps with blending your makeup into your lace to make your wig, make sure it's all blended and believable. We have more wig cap, a Beautyforever melt band. I'm gonna use that today when I'm installing the wig. Now, what I love about a curly wig is you don't have to use any hot tools on the physical pieces of the hair. You might have to use a hot comb if you want your roots to be more flat, but since this is a curly wig, technically you could leave it that way and just add some mousse product, some type of like curl activating product, just to make sure everything is all well together. So what I'm going to do is glueless install, technically using some spray. If I was using Ebin spray, this isn't glue, but it is a holding product. But we're going to install this wig completely glueless and product free. And we're going to see how we can get this blended into the skin. Definitely think I want to add some tint spray to the lace just to make sure that it is going to melt right into my skin. I literally haven't even done anything to this wig yet, and you can see how it's already showing a little bit of blend into my skin. We're gonna go over this a little bit with some more powder, but this is looking good so far. So far, so good.
Fucking bitches, now you wishing you were with me, living life so trill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh yeah, now you gotta tell your friends about it. You gotta tell them how you fucked up on the inside.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around, find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the
Alright guys, here is the final look of today's installation. What do we think? Well, here's where the unit stops, and if it's stretched out, it is a little bit longer, but right now it's stopping like right at boob level for me. I kept it real simple and stuck with the middle part. Just part down the middle. It's glueless. I didn't put any type of holding spray, any glue. I'm gonna show you guys right now. You can see that it is very blended into the skin, but it is still 100% glueless. No holding spray, no nothing. All I did was comb it out, well, brush it out. I brushed it out, put some water on it, put some mousse on it, so that way it can look nice and hydrated and healthy. And if you want, you can add other curling hair products, whatever you like to use. It's human hair. I just stuck with the basics of water and mousse, and it looks really good. Easy to wear, easy to go. This is gonna be like one of those 5 to 10 minute throw on wigs when you're just trying to get ready to go out the house. You can wear this unit anywhere. Wear it to work, wear it out to a party, wear it wherever you're going, honestly. On the airplane, anything. You can clip it up into like a little bun if you want to. If you want to have like that carefree look. And since it is a closure, you do have limited parting space, but you can still do a left or right part. Can't be like a deep side part, but you can still focus right here in this little area. Even if you want to like twist your hair back and kind of pull it back, you can still be versatile with this unit, even though you have limited lace space to work with. Of course, we can't forget that back view. Gotta see what it looks like behind me. Nice and full. Having a great density day over here. The unit is very secure. I feel like it's not going to slide off. It won't be exposing my hairline, exposing my lace cap, or it won't be exposing my wig cap or anything. It's going to stay in place. They have the combs in the inside, the elastic band, and then you also have like a little gripping method back here that's really going to help your wig stay in place. Nice and big head friendly, definitely beginner friendly. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'm going to put all of the details in the description bar below, a direct link to this wig as well as a direct link to BeautyForeverHair's website. Let me know what you guys think about this unit in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to BeautyForeverHair for sending over today's wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.